Hello children, today we'll do a fun activity with the letter N. N says na, nest, nest, nest. N says na, napkin, napkin, napkin. N says na, net, net. So, to do the activity with the letter N, I'll need some orange paint, a piece of cotton, some glue and a few cutouts of a bird. First, I'll take a piece of cotton and make it into a ball within my palm. Parents, what this does, it improves your children's fine motor skills. Can you see? So now, I'm going to put it into the paint and dab it on the letter N. Parents, please make sure that your children color within the lines and do not exceed the border. It improves their concentration level so that they can paint within the space. You're enjoying, right, children? Now, can you see? Now, I'm going to stick the cutouts of the bird. I'm going to take some glue and paste it on top. What does the bird have? It has a wing, right? It flies with its wing. I'm going to stick the wing of the bird. And how does a bird see? It sees with its eyes and eats with its beak. So I'm going to stick a beak. And where does the bird live? It lives on a nest. I have these cutouts of a nest. I'm going to stick it at the bottom. Parents, please guide your children while they do this activity and give them instructions. And what does the bird do in its nest? It lays eggs. So I have these cutouts of an egg and I'm going to stick this on the nest. So see, we've completed the letter N. I would request the parents to engage your children in activities like this. Thank you.
I hope you loved this real video by Real Educators. Please do subscribe to our channel.